The Gerber Ghostrike knife is a lightweight, easy-to-carry tool designed for self-defense and everyday use. If you've seen Mad Max or Captain America the Winter Soldier, you might recognize this sleek knife. Weighing just 102 grams, it's super light, making it perfect for those who need a discreet yet effective tool for protection. The Ghostrike features an 8 centimeter blade made from tough 420HC stainless steel, a popular choice for outdoor knives because it's strong and versatile. Whether you're using it for self-defense or outdoor activities, this knife is built to perform in any situation. One of the best parts is the included sheath, which lets you securely carry the knife behind your back, keeping it out of sight but easily accessible when needed. The M48 Opilatory Tactical Self-Defense Gloves are built for tough situations and can be a game changer when things get physical. At only $23, these gloves offer great protection for your hands and knuckles. They're made with a mix of leather, polyurethane, and mesh nylon, making them durable and comfortable to wear. Whether you need them for self-defense or for fun activities like paintball or airsoft, these gloves are up to the task. The gloves also feature Velcro straps and a unique skull and lightning bolt design that adds a cool touch to their functionality. Not only do they help protect your hands, but they also give you a boost of power with every punch. So, if you're looking for a pair of gloves that can stand up to anything and look great doing it, the M48 OPS gloves are a solid choice. With all these features at just $23, they're an awesome value for anyone who needs reliable hand protection. The M1134 minigun is an incredibly powerful weapon known for its speed and precision. It can fire 3,000 rounds per minute, and you can adjust the rate of fire with its digital control unit. With a range of 3,600 feet, it's perfect for both close and long-range combat. This minigun can be mounted on ground vehicles, aircraft, watercraft, and even drones, making it versatile in different situations. It uses 7.62 NATO cartridges and operates with an M13 Link ammunition system, allowing it to fire non-stop without jams. One of the most interesting features is its aero clamp cooling system, which helps reduce barrel heat by 25%, preventing overheating during intense use. This ensures that the minigun can keep firing without losing power. Made for military use, the M134 minigun is built to deliver huge firepower and maintain its performance under pressure. Mace S2 Salt Pepper Launcher. The Mace S2 Salt Pepper Launcher is a powerful self-defense tool that works up to 46 feet. Even if you aren't the best at aiming, it's still effective because the pepper cloud spreads over a wide area of about 1.5 meters. With a 5-ball magazine, the Munio Self-Defense Keychain is a small, powerful tool designed to keep you safe. With the motto, "Be ready, be safe," it combines a stylish look with strong protection. This keychain allows you to defend yourself and escape dangerous situations if needed. It's trusted by police, military, and self-defense experts all over the world for its reliability. Made from durable ABS plastic, the same material used in sports helmets, the Munio keychain is built to last. It's lightweight at just 1.3 ounces and 4.5 inches long, so you can easily carry it around every day. The best part? It comes with a lifetime warranty, showing the company's confidence in its quality. The paracord bracelet knife is the perfect tool for adventurers and outdoor lovers. It's compact, handy, and packed with useful features. The bracelet is made from 11.5 feet of strong paracord, which can come in handy for a variety of tasks, like fixing a broken shoelace or tying up your tent. What makes this bracelet special is its built-in gadgets. It includes a small knife, a compass to help with direction, a whistle for signaling, a glass breaker, and even a watch. The best part is that the knife and sheath are detachable, so you can carry them separately as a keychain for easy access when you need them. Available in a range of colors, these bracelets are affordable, with prices between $7 and $11. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just looking for a convenient tool for your outdoor adventures, this bracelet knife has you covered. It's a simple yet essential piece of gear that combines practicality with style. PrimeTech Stove Set. After a long hike or day outdoors, there's nothing better than enjoying a hot meal, and the PrimeTech Stove Set makes it super easy. Made in Sweden, this compact and lightweight camping kitchen weighs just 2.2 pounds. So it's perfect for carrying in your backpack without taking up too much space. This all-in-one cooking set includes a burner, two cooking pots, two trays, a universal handle, a stand, and a lid with a built-in strainer. RazorJet's DLX heel wheels. Want to turn your sneakers into a speed machine? The RazorJet's DLX heel wheels are here to make it happen. These awesome heel wheels attach right to your shoes, letting you roll faster while creating cool sparks, just like a race car. The sturdy design can support up to 175 pounds, so they're perfect for a wide range of people. You can easily remove the wheels and sparkling parts, and even choose between regular wheels or LED lit versions for extra flair. Thanks to the Velcro straps, these wheels stay securely attached to your feet, and the universal frame size means they fit most shoes. Whether you're gliding around town or showing off your moves, the RazorJet's DLX will have you standing out. Starting at just $43, these heel wheels are a fun way to speed things up. But don't forget, the shock knife is a game changer in self-defense tools, combining a blade with the power of a stun gun. This knife isn't just for cutting, it delivers an electric shock when it touches an attacker, instantly immobilizing them. The added sound effect helps scare off any intruders, preventing a potential fight from escalating. But that's not all. The shock knife also features a space for diodes, turning it into a handy flashlight when needed. It's designed for both self-defense and practicality. The set includes a charging cable and holster, making it easy to carry around and use whenever necessary. For $90, you're getting more than just a knife. You're getting a smart self-defense tool with multiple functions. Whether you need a way to protect yourself or want a gadget that's both functional and innovative, the shock knife is a great option. With its unique combination of features, it's a must-have for anyone looking for an effective and versatile defense tool. The Silencer Co. Maxim 9 is a game changer in the world of firearms. It's the world's first 9mm pistol with an integrated suppressor, meaning you can carry it with a silencer already attached. Designed by the American company Silencer Co., this futuristic-looking gun was created to provide both power and stealth in one sleek package. Measuring about 11 inches long, the Maxim 9 can be shortened by removing some silencer modules, giving you the flexibility to adjust its size. It weighs just over 2.5 pounds, making it easy to handle. The pistol uses 9x19mm ammo, and the magazine holds 17 rounds. The best part? It's compatible with Glock magazines of the same capacity, making it easy to find spare mags. For carrying, the Maxim 9 comes with a special polymer holster that's designed to fit the gun comfortably. Whether you're a law enforcement officer or a firearm enthusiast, get ready to level up your water gun battles with the Whoa! This isn't your ordinary water gun. It's the world's first water gun with electronic components and spiroblast technology. Thanks to this technology, the Spiratwo can shoot up to 49 feet, giving you the upper hand in long-range water fights. What makes it even cooler is the high rate of fire and multiple shooting modes, so you can switch up your strategy and keep your opponents on their toes. The built-in display shows you how much water you have left, so you never run out unexpectedly during a battle. The Spiratwo runs on a rechargeable battery that gives you 200 reloads, and reloading takes just 10 seconds. Super fast, so you can get back in the action quickly. While it's priced at $174, the Spiratwo is packed with high-tech features that make it worth every penny if you're serious about having the most epic water gun fights. Surviveware Emergency Mylar Blankets. The Surviveware Emergency Mylar Blankets are a must-have for outdoor lovers, travelers, and anyone who wants to stay prepared. These blankets are made from Mylar, a special material first created in the 1950s by DuPont. It's so effective that NASA even used it in spacesuits. What makes these blankets awesome is their two-color design. One side is silver and the other is green. The silver side reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm in cold conditions. The green side holds in about 65%, which is still great for milder weather. These blankets also block wind, making them ideal for outdoor use. Each blanket is 52 by 82 inches in size, big enough to wrap around your whole body. They're also reusable, so you can use them again and again. A pack of 5 weighs only 1.6 ounces. The T4E HDP-50 is a smart self-defense option, especially in places where crime rates are high, like Venezuela, Papua New Guinea, and Afghanistan. It's a non-lethal weapon that's easy to use, affordable, and highly effective. This tool fires pepper spray pellets, giving you the power to protect yourself without causing serious harm. The T4E HDP-50 comes with a magazine that holds 6 pellets and uses standard CO2 cartridges, zero point 0.3 or zero point 0.4 ounces, for power. With a shooting range of 45 to 60 feet, it lets you defend yourself from a safe distance. Whether you're worried about your safety in risky areas or just want an extra layer of protection, this weapon is a great option. At around $100, the T4E HDP-50 offers an affordable way to stay safe without breaking the bank. It's simple to use and reliable, making it a top choice for those looking for a practical, non-lethal defense tool. If you're considering something to boost your personal security, this could be just what you need. The Taurus Curve is a sleek, compact handgun designed for those who need reliable self-defense in a small package. Introduced into 2014, its unique curved shape is made to fit comfortably against your body, making it perfect for concealed carry. The pistol holds 7 rounds of 380 ACP ammunition, offering enough firepower for personal protection. Weighing just 10 ounces without ammo and measuring only 5.2 inches in length, it's lightweight and easy to carry. The Wataz is a powerful and smart self-defense gadget made by engineers in Turkey. Unlike regular stun guns that shoot wires, this one uses a wireless system. It fires small mini stun devices that stick to the attacker's body and deliver strong electric shocks, causing muscle spasms that stop them immediately. With a shooting range of up to 26 feet, you can protect yourself from a safe distance. Each cartridge holds 2 mini stun guns, and the device lets you choose from 3 different shock levels depending on the situation. It also works in direct contact mode, so if someone gets too close, you can still defend yourself effectively. There's space in the device for a camera, and you can even request a voice warning system that tells the attacker to back off before the device activates. The makers say it's the best non-lethal weapon in the world, designed to keep you safe without causing long-term harm. Zippo Surefire Paracord. Zippo, the famous brand known for making classic lighters, has also created a super useful camping tool called the Surefire Paracord. This is not just an ordinary rope, it's a strong 50-foot cord that's perfect for outdoor trips. What makes it special is the red strand inside that can actually start a fire. Each inch of this red cord burns for about 30 seconds, and you can use it to light up to 600 campfires. It's a great item to have when you're camping, hiking, or in an emergency. Need to cook food or stay warm? Just cut a piece, light it, and you're good to go. The cord also comes with a handy carabiner, so you can clip it to your bag and take it anywhere.